Okay, today is week 2, day 15. The good news is I've only got like another 75 days or something like that left. Ding, 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 ding. The most exciting thing is today is the start of Project Mezzanine. If you don't know, Project Mezzanine was basically how we are going to convert the area up there, basically like a mezzanine. Well, it's not, it's just the top of the kitchen. But we're going to convert it into like a snug nest mezzanine area. We have very limited DIY skills, materials, excellent energy, excellent time, and a good imagination. What could possibly go wrong? Let's get on with this. Alexa, play some music that's generic, that's not going to get me sued by YouTube. Right. That's dirty. I'm tiling. I think anyone that knows anything about tiling would call it tiling. Not the worst idea. Yeah, that looks better. Ah, bellissimo! It's a beautiful. Oh, it's smooth as well. It feels premium. Looks a bit shit, I'll be honest. To be honest, mate, I feel like I set out to create a mezzanine and instead I've built a patio. It's a nice patio, but it's a patio.
Yeah, does it quite patio-ish?
Yeah. Oh well, reach for the stars and you get the moon. What is going on out here? This girl, I think, is kickboxing girl. And she's been from that garden. She's not social distancing. She's now with a new person. Don't you get 150 quid if you shop them in?
Yeah.
Hey, I need to send an invoice, that'll work. Hey, what if she blags it before me? I've got to get on quick. Look what has just appeared. It's a baby squirrel. It's just gone up a level. Look at it. I want to steal it. Okay, this is an issue. We have a recycling bin, but it is outside in the world, and the world has coronavirus. We don't want to go out there. Both of us are not in a position to leave that any longer, and that one's not looking great either.
No, definitely not.
So there's only one thing for it.
Ready?
Yeah. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh! Unbelievable! Get in there!
It's a long way down as well.
I know, I feel bad. It is actually my time as well. Ah well. Whee! He loves it. There we go. We don't quite have a mezzanine, but we've got a patio, which kind of works. The next step is basically to look online and see what I can buy in terms of like cushions, soft furnishings, things that are actually going to make it comfortable and sleepable. I hope that it's... Was that Alexa? Alexa, shut the up. Wow, that ruined that outro, didn't it? So the next step is to get more furnishings, pillows, things that make it look good, and check that it's weight bearing, because that would be probably, yeah, I'd probably want to know that that is true. So tomorrow I'm going to take you more through Alexa and what she's been doing and how we've got it set up, if she even survives, because I'll probably kill the little thing between now and then. So I'm basically going to take you through what we've got connected, how it works, what different things you need to do. I'm not going to take you through costs because we don't talk about money, but I am going to kind of show you how it all connects and what things I've gone out and acquired. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe. So I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers in the next 2 months. If you think there's someone that would be interested in this video, I mean, we've got to be really bored. But if you know them, send it on. Anyway, thank you guys again for watching. Let me know in the comments below whether you like this video, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.